Welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is fascinating because we're going to uncover something that many people have always wondered about. How do celebrities learn English so quickly and so fluently? Think about it. Actors, singers, athletes, and influencers from around the world often speak English confidently, even though it's not their first language. You might have seen famous stars giving interviews, acting in Hollywood movies, or even hosting international shows, and they make it look so effortless. But the truth is, none of them were born fluent. They learned it step by step, just like you can. And in this video, I'm going to reveal the secrets, routines, and techniques that many celebrities use to master English. By the end, you'll see that you don't need to be rich or famous to learn like them. You just need the right approach and mindset. Part 1. The reality. Celebrities learn just like you. Let's start with a simple fact. Celebrities are not magically good at English. They have the same challenges as anyone else: pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary, and confidence. The only difference is that they use specific methods and they stay consistent. Take, for example, someone like Shakira. She didn't speak English fluently when she first started her international music career. She learned it because she wanted to write her own songs in English. So, she studied grammar, watched movies, and practiced daily with native speakers. She treated English like a tool for connection, and that mindset made all the difference. Or think of Jackie Chan. He wasn't fluent in English when he began acting in Hollywood, but instead of giving up, he learned from the people around him. He listened, repeated, and practiced every day on set. His fluency came from real-life practice, not just studying from books. That's something you can do too. Turn your daily environment into your classroom. Part 2. Immersion. Their biggest secret. One of the most powerful techniques celebrities use to learn English fast is immersion. That means surrounding themselves with English all the time, through movies, conversations, songs, and interviews. For example, many K-pop idols who perform internationally speak English very well. But how did they learn? They spend hours watching English shows, listening to English music, and communicating with fans online in English. They don't just study English, they live in it. You can create your own version of immersion, even without traveling abroad. Set your phone to English. Watch shows without subtitles, follow English-speaking creators, and practice thinking in English every day. When English becomes part of your lifestyle, it stops feeling like a subject and starts feeling like a skill you naturally use. Part 3. Practice over perfection. Celebrities also understand that fluency doesn't mean perfection. They make mistakes, they mispronounce words, but they keep speaking anyway. Think about actors like Sofia Vergara or Penelope Cruz. They both have strong accents when they speak English, but they use it confidently. They don't try to hide it or feel ashamed about it. Instead, they use their accents as part of their identity. That's a lesson we can all learn. You don't need to speak perfect English. You need to speak confidently. The more you speak, the more your fluency grows. So instead of waiting for the right time, start speaking now, even if it's not perfect. Part 4. Personal coaching and daily routines. Of course, many celebrities work with personal language coaches, especially when they're preparing for roles or international interviews. These coaches help them with pronunciation, tone, and expression. But what's really interesting is how simple their daily routines are. For example, many actors spend a few minutes every day repeating English phrases, reading scripts out loud, and listening to recordings of themselves to identify mistakes. Singers often learn pronunciation and rhythm through songs. Athletes who move to English-speaking countries practice speaking daily with teammates, reporters, and fans. The common factor here is daily practice. Even if it's just 10 or 15 minutes a day, consistency makes a huge difference. You can do the same. Read something in English every morning, repeat phrases you hear, or record yourself speaking. Over time, your brain adapts to the rhythm and flow of English, just like theirs did. Part 5. Using English Indiana real situations. Another powerful reason celebrities learn English fast is that they have to use it in real situations. They need it to act, perform, or communicate internationally. That pressure pushes them to learn faster. Now, you might not be preparing for a movie or concert, but you can still create similar opportunities. Join online communities, talk to English learners, comment on English videos, or write posts on social media in English. The more real situations you create, the faster your progress will be. Remember, language grows through use, not through memorization. Part 6. Confidence is everything. If you watch any celebrity interview, you'll notice one thing. They speak with confidence, even if their English isn't perfect. That's because they understand that communication is more important than perfection. Confidence helps your brain relax, and when your brain is relaxed, words come naturally. So train your confidence just like you train your vocabulary. Start small, talk to yourself in English, record short videos, or practice speaking in front of a mirror. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. That's exactly what celebrities do. They focus on growth, not mistakes. Part 7. Your takeaway: learn like them. So, what can we learn from celebrities who mastered English? Immerse yourself in English. Surround your brain with it. Practice daily, even for a short time. Use English in real situations, not just in exercises. Don't fear mistakes. Use them to grow. Stay confident, because confidence opens doors. You don't need fame, money, or private tutors to follow these steps. You just need consistency and the belief that you can do it. Celebrities learned English because they connected it to their goals: acting, singing, performing. You can do the same by connecting English to your dreams, your career, travel, or personal growth. Conclusion. So now you know how celebrities learn English, and more importantly, how you can learn it too. They succeed because they stay consistent, confident, and connected to the language. You don't need to study harder. You just need to practice smarter. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about improving your English naturally and confidently, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Remember, fluency isn't just for famous people, it's for anyone willing to put in a little effort every day. Start today, and soon you'll be speaking English like a star.